Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be comparing the displays between the OnePlus 7 Pro versus the Realme X2 Pro, Poco F2 Pro and the Redmi K20 Pro device. So all these are four smartphones or the premium end smartphones from their different brands. So I got one top phone from the Redmi brand and from the Poco brand and Realme brand and the OnePlus 7 Pro brand. So let's see which display is the ultimate winner and which phone has the best advantage in terms of the display properties and everything. And I'll try to demonstrate the same video playing in all the four phones in the low light performance. And one thing is that in this video I'll be playing the 8K video footage. So all these phones are supported with the 8K video footage directly. So I'll be playing by using the 8K video. If you want to download the 8K video footage, there is one way to do that is by joining my Telegram group. So in my Telegram group directly you can go to my media here and try to find the link for the how to download the 8K video. So here I got the 8K video which I am playing right now in this video. So try to check that 8K video if you want to test in your own smartphones whether it's working or not. So let's get started with the displays of all these phones comparing side by side. So let's see which phone will be the ultimate winner in terms of the display colors and brightness levels and various everything. So before starting the video, you should know which phone has what kind of display properties right now. So that's why I opened the GSM Arena where I'll be showing you the display properties of all the four phones and let's see which phone has a better advantage. So first is the display size. According to the display size, organize all the four mobile phones. So 6.67 inches, 6.67 inches, 6.5 and 6.3 inches. So this phone is my favorite phone, Redmi K20 Pro, which is very compact and single hand usage is pretty much possible in the Redmi K20 Pro. So that is the advantage of this mobile, and both are having the very big displays, and Realme X2 Pro is the middle of all these mobile phones. So next is the resolution. The OnePlus 7 Pro has the 2K resolution, friends, as you can clearly see. So instead of 1080 resolution, it has got 2K resolution. That's a very advantage. In the settings, you do have an option to change to the 1080 as well. All these phones have the same kind of 1080 resolution. Nothing got changed in those. So let me try to open the display properties of all of these smartphones. So just to demonstrate the brightness levels and everything. So what phone has what brightness levels. So in terms of the HDR10 Plus certified, OnePlus 7 Pro, Poco F2 Pro and Realme X2 Pro, all these are HDR10 Plus certified. Redmi K20 Pro is only HDR10 certified. So 90Hz and 90Hz. So Realme X2 Pro and OnePlus 7 Pro, they are having the 90Hz, and whereas the Poco F2 Pro and the Redmi K20 Pro, they are having only 60Hz display. So right now you can see your friends clearly I'm playing the same video in all of the four smartphones, and this video right now I won't be editing any colors or increasing any brightness. So this is exactly as it is video where you can exactly see the color difference and everything between all of the four smartphones. So do comment below which display you like the best and why as well. So my favorite display of all time is the OnePlus 7 Pro because it has got the pretty good full screen experience and this kind of curved edges on the both sides, which looks a pretty good edge to edge watching movies. So this is a perfect mobile phone for the entertainment and media purpose. So this is my most favorite phone of all time in comparing with all the four mobile phones. And OnePlus 7 Pro has got that advantage, whereas the Poco F2 Pro had got one more advantage of having very good high saturated colors. The reason is because there is a one option which is called the video toolbox. So by using this video toolbox, you can actually increase the color saturation levels. As you can see, friends, normal and cinematic colors and outdoor colors. You can see the change as well, how it is looking the brightness here. So it's pretty good if you use this kind of cinematic mode, and same thing with the Redmi K20 Pro as well. You do have this kind of option. So where I did select the high quality cinematic, so you'll get very good experience when you are watching the movies. So these two phones has got that kind of very good advantage. In the Realme X2 Pro, as you can see, friends, even the Realme X2 Pro is very good as well. So there's no issues at all with this phone, but one problem is that it has got small notch on the top, whereas all other three smartphones, they're having the pop-up camera. So that is a best advantage to get full screen experience while watching videos. So that's the best thing about those mobile phones, friends. So that is the only drawback of this phone, Realme X2 Pro device. But the Realme X2 Pro has dual stereo speaker setup. Even the OnePlus 7 Pro also has. So now let me try to little bit close the studio lighting effect. So right now you can see, friends, this is with the low studio lighting mode. So let me try to zoom in little bit. So now let me try to decrease the brightness to 10%, or let me try to keep the brightness to 0 level, and let's see which phone will be having very low brightness mode. As you can see, all the 4 phones are having very good low brightness mode. But overall, I like the display of the Poco F2 Pro is my top in terms of the saturation levels. So Poco F2 Pro has got the very good saturation levels and contrast levels, and OnePlus 7 Pro has got the curved edges, and Redmi K20 Pro has the very good compact size 6.3 inches single hand usage, and Realme X2 Pro has got advantage of having 90 Hz and very good display with dual stereo speaker setup. And few people doesn't like this kind of curved display because of touch issues, but Realme X2 Pro is also good. So this is overall a quick comparison in terms of the display between all of the smartphones. And do like this video, friends, and definitely stay tuned by subscribing to my channel for more videos in the future as well. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.